Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday, October 8th. I have another NASDAQ top-down analysis for you, so let's get right into it. First off, starting here on the weekly, I have marked out our previous week high, previous week low, and 50% of last week's range. So moving into the daily, you can see how we're respecting 50% of this inverted fair value gap right now. So I would like to see us hold above 50%, so around 19,900 level. I would like to see that level hold. If we don't hold this level, then I would look for previous week low to hold and see what happens there. Moving into the 4 hour, this is our 50% of last week's range. I would like to see 50% hold for a potential move up to the top of this imbalance, and we could also target these highs as well as previous week high would be a good target for longs as well. So for longs, I'd like to see 50% hold. I would also look for 50% of this imbalance to hold or reject. And then just to get a little more clear picture, here's our 50%. Right now, we could potentially come down, touch into this imbalance right here for another move back up. But right now, I'm either waiting for a retracement back down to here to see what happens, because you can see this 50% level of this inverted fair value gap is very significant. So look to see what happens here if we get back down. If we get back down here, we could get in longs targeting 50% again, or whatever highs we create if we retrace back down. And I would also look for shorts, so a potential break of this 50% and then a retracement back up and a failure to get back above for potential shorts. And we could target our previous week low and this imbalance down here, and we also have another inverted fair value gap down here. But that's pretty much it, guys. Just wait and see what happens at 50% of last week's range, or wait for 50% of this imbalance, see what happens there, or wait for 50% of this inverted fair value gap. If we end up just crashing through here, taking out these lows, then look for a previous week low to either hold or reject. But I'm basically just playing price action once we get to these levels, guys, and then I'm using these other levels as targets. But that's pretty much all I have today, guys. I hope you have a good day, and I will catch you tomorrow.